Hey guys, what's up? It's Noitives here. So again, today we're going to do unboxing this intelligent shaver. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified if I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go. So this is it, guys. I got here a YQ500 intelligent shaver. What it does, this is a body washable intelligent time display. It comes with the intelligent traveling lock, a floating dual foil, and then the intelligent anti-clip system. Wow. So there you go. This is a rated 200 volts to 240 volts, and rated input watts is 80 watts. There you go. So again, we're gonna try this one, guys, and it says here 360 free floating revolving cutting heads. Woo, it's a USB security charging. We'll see. So okay, guys, we'll see on this one. And we're gonna start unboxing this. I'm so excited. There you go. So I don't need this. I'll just put this one on the front there. Oops. So they have a cover on the box, and then what they have here is the nice one. So what it comes in the box is the USB cable and a power adapter for this, and it's a power adapter, but it's a power cable, so you can charge. It's a USB, and then you can put this one on the bottom for charging. And then they have here an extra blade for maybe the edge, like the lining edge or something. So maybe this is the one. And that's about it. Oops, there's one more. And they have also it comes with the brush, small brush that you can brush it. There you go. And it comes with the manual. There you go. So again, guys, according here, it says that it's a 2 hours or 1.5 hour to 2 hours is the charging time on this unit. We'll see. So again, just take the cover off on this, pop up right away, and then I think it's a digital display here, and it's locked to number 3. Okay. There you go. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to use this one, but again, it comes with the power display of 99, and as far as I know, that this one will shut off immediately if the battery is not working properly. It's a nice one, guys. It's very nice. The handle itself, it's good. It's so comfortable when you do some like this and do some shaving. Then they have some, I think this is a timer. Is it a timer? Okay. So when you turn it off on this one here, there's a timer of 3, 2, 1. It's gonna be shut off the unit itself. So, but anyway, it comes with the a manual here, and again, I think you have to wash. All you have to do is to take this one off. You just press this one, the button, and then it will automatic open, and I think you can You can wash it here, the blades, and then dry a little bit, and then oh, that's why they call this one as the shaving blades, I think. That's why it's a free floating, because of the blades. I think it's like free floating. That's what it says, free floating, revolving cutter head. That is right. Nice one. It's good. You can, I don't know if you can turn on this when it's, yeah, you can still, but I think you have to turn on this one to do some cleaning using the brush. That's it. Yeah, and then there's another countdown of 3, and then it's gonna be goes to a lock sign. Nice one. I want to try this one, guys. I want to try this one. We'll see. I want to try this. I'm planning to try this one, but it's so okay. So it's like they have a like a shock absorber in this one here. When you do some shaving, it will do some adjustment or whatever. So basically it will keep on moving if you are going to use this one. Nice one. It's really good. It's gonna be nice if you have to have some stand or something, and they just stand, they have some stand on that one instead of putting on the table or something and leave it that way. So I think it's gonna be nice if they have stand in this one here. But okay, so again, I think this one here, it doesn't make some marks on your face if you're going to keep on using on this one here. I think there's no mark on your face or something. But again, I'm planning to try this one, and then I'm gonna vlog it to you guys if how it feels if I'm gonna use this for shaving. Okay dokie, we're gonna try that one out. So here we go. We're gonna try this one, and what we're gonna do is we just press this one, and then the number will come out 1 2 3, and then start, and it comes with the countdown and then the number. So we gotta try this one here. Nice and clean. Nice and clean, guys. Look at that. Wow, beautiful, perfect. I like it. Nice one. But anyway, again, when you do some cleaning here, all you have to do is to press this one, this button, and it will go up. And then we have some, I forgot the brush, but all you have to do is to take some, brush here, and it will basically it will do some cleaning. And then I think you can put some, or you can rinse water here. So then that's about it. Wow, nice one. So powerful, so powerful. Nice, I like it. So but again, guys, that's about it. This product is available online on Amazon store, and again, you can go on Amazon. I'll just put the link below where you can buy this. And again, thank you so much, DeWant, and their store name is B Store C. But thank you so much, guys. A wonderful product. I love it. And if you like this product, guys, you can just click the description below, and their website will be showing up right away on your screen. So there you go, guys. So that's about it, and I hope you enjoy my unboxing this intelligent shaver. And thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone.